Before we start to pressure cook some beans today, let's talk about Miriams Earthen Cookware. It's a US-based cookware brand hand-making pots and pans from lab-tested primary clay. Unlike metal pots, these non-toxic pressure cooker pots radiate a unique far-infrared heat that cooks each food particle from inside out, thoroughly breaking down the anti-nutrients, making it easily and fully digestible in the gut. That's why people cook their beans in these pots and don't have any complaints of bloating or indigestion. The pot naturally locks steam, unlike a pressure cooker steam valve, which releases excessive steam. Steam's essentially water-soluble nutrients, and almost all of them are lost through the steam vent in a conventional pressure cooker. The ergonomically designed pot and lid release excessive steam naturally, unlike the rapid release steam valve through a conventional pressure cooker. Cooking dried beans is healthier than frozen beans or canned beans, as they're treated with chemically based preservatives. So we're going to start cooking the beans. Start your gas stove on low and cover with the lid, and then raise the heat to medium-low. Medium if you're using an electric cooktop. Once the pot is warm, approximately 5 to 10 minutes, you can turn the heat off. Because once the beans are tender, they will continue to cook passively using the heat absorbed in the pot. The cooked beans stay warm for 3 to 4 hours, so there's no need to reheat before serving. The excellent heat retention by Miriams Earthen Cookware makes these pots the most energy efficient pressure pots out there. Make sure you try making beans in them.